Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by bringing media into Imovie so you can work quickly. Create a library and event, then import clips from your camera, phone, or SD card. This centralizes files. Once imported, skim and flag favorites. You'll save time later. Make sure to enable optimized import if you plan heavy edits, and move unusable or duplicate clips to a separate folder. Now that your project has organized media, drag your first favorite clip to the timeline to begin constructing the edit. You assemble the timeline by trimming and arranging clips into a coherent sequence. Use the blade and precision editor to cut exact frames, and press J and L to navigate fast. Once primary footage is locked, layer B-roll on the upper track and split clips to insert cutaways. Apply simple transitions sparingly, warp speed for timing, and stabilize any shaky clips. Keep audio in mind. Fade music under dialogue, and use the audio inspector to reduce background noise. You finish by polishing visuals and sound, then exporting for delivery. Use color correction and match color to maintain consistency. Add gentle adjustments rather than heavy filters. Balance audio, add final music, and normalize levels so dialogue is clear. When exporting, choose the resolution and codec appropriate for your platform and export a short test clip first. If export errors or missing audio occur, relink any offline media, clear cache, or free disk space. These fixes resolve most final stage issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.